In this video, I will be showing you how to fix activation fail on Viber. First, you need to go to your Google Play Store, type Viber, and then click. Now, as you can see, my Viber is up to date, so I'm pretty sure that I am using the new features on Viber. And then next is you can exit this Google Play Store and go to your phone settings. Now, go to app management and then click app list. Now scroll down or search for your application Viber. Click this one and then tap the storage usage and then clear cache. After you clear cache, clear data. That's it. Okay, click OK. Now go back and look for force stop. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this arrow. Click this force stop, tap force stop again, and it will force the application to, it will stop the application from running. Okay, and then after that, you need to allow or permit this application again by clicking this permissions and then all features here that are denied, you need to tap this one by one and click allow. Okay, for call logs, you have to click allow. For camera, contacts, location, microphone, and phone, you need to allow all of this. Okay, so I'm gonna do it one by one to show you. Okay, next we have contacts, click allow, location, allow, and then microphone, click allow, and phone, click allow. So I do really hope that these methods will work for your phone, especially for your Viber. So all you have to do is to go to your Viber application, click start now, and then after that you have to click or type your phone number here. Of course, choose your country and then enter the 6-digit code to activate your account. Then once the code will appear, they will just be detected automatically. So you don't need to enter it. All you have to do is to wait, and then that's it. It's activating the Viber, and you can use your Viber now. I do really hope that this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again in our next video tutorials.